Hang up the phone. Hang up the phone. I want you guys to listen to this. Coach Hue Jackson, okay, talk to you guys about how to get your game real. Y'all know who this dude is?
Oh, wow.
Okay. Cleveland Browns, Oakland Raiders, Cincinnati Bengals. Go Raiders. Come on, okay? This guy has been around winners, champions. Bonnet, he told me something about the Patriots. Who you betting on? Who you think makes it next year?
The Patriots.
I got 500 with that dude back there. So like, you guys give this guy your full attention. All right, give him a big hand first. Huh?
First of all, thank you very much. What a tremendous honor for me, first, to be in here with Grant. I mean, obviously, thank you for allowing me this opportunity. Just spending time with him, I can tell why all of you are here. You're here because he is a tremendous leader, first and foremost. And I know something about leadership because you want people to follow you, and there's no question that you guys follow this man. No doubt about it. The key to all of this, though, is teamwork, right? Is everybody pulling their rope, you know, as hard as you can and doing your job and being the best that you can be, and understanding how can I do a little more, you know, because everybody can do what's required. How do I get a little bit more out of myself to be the best version of myself so that I can show him that I'm taking this to another level? I know you guys talk about 10X all the time. Why not chase it? Why not chase it every day? But you got to have that passion and that true belief that you can get it done. Because talking about it is nothing. If you don't produce the results, it doesn't matter. So at the end of the day, it's really important that you keep finding ways, however you do it. I don't care. I mean, whether it's through friends or through the computer or through someone else, how do I continue to make Cardone Capital one of the best in the world?
Or Cardone University, or Cardone Demand.
Absolutely.
These guys are selling all kinds of stuff. So.
Why not be the best at all of that?
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah.
And that's what this is about.
So what would you tell guys that are having a hard time? Like, how do you get out of your slump? You've talked to athletes that are like in a slump. They get down on themselves, feel like they lost the mojo.
Absolutely. I think when you get in those situations, you quiet the noise. You know, because there's something telling you that something's not going right here, right? And I think you got to get out of your own head first and foremost, and then just reflect. And then your circle, the people that you circle up with, you got to circle up with people you trust, who are going to keep it real with you and tell you this is what you need to do or what you don't need to do. And when you do that, I think you close everything down and you start over again, because you know how to do it or you wouldn't be there. Did
you ever show up on a Sunday when you didn't want to be there?
Oh, absolutely.
More often than not?
Oh, yeah. So, well, the key to it all is when you go on Sundays, it's game day. You know, all the preparation happens in the week, and on Sunday it's supposed to be, that's the performance. You know, you're there to really win, you know. And it's hard when you feel like if you can't win. That's the tough part. But at the end of the day, you do everything you can to walk in there to be the best version of yourself, put your best foot forward, because you never know what might could happen. So you got to bring it all the time.
How do you get to be the best version of yourself?
I think, first of all, you got to know who you are. You know, I think that's a huge part of this. You can't go fool yourself to thinking you're somebody else when you're not. I think first be honest with you. And know exactly who you are, and then try to do something every day to improve yourself. And you know, to me, I think one of the things I found out, the people who are really successful in life, they work out every day. They spend that time, because health is wealth. It truly is, and you have to be healthy to be at work every day, to be the best version of yourself. And I would start there first, and then I would understand my job better than anybody doing what I do.
Give it up for this man, huh? Awesome. Appreciate you guys.
You guys are led by a great man, I know that.
Hey, if you like this video, make sure you go watch this video right now. I'll see you there.